What did you say?
I said you have to leave the house right now.
Why?
Huh? Because you have to get all your things and go back Manila.
Go back to Manila. That's too far away.
That's too far away, you guys. Yes, guys, you have to go now.
I
Huh?
have to go now. My
He
goodness.
cannot go. He can stay poop.
I cannot go.
He can stay to the
But
poop.
I have a lot of things.
Okay, he can go to poop.
I have to pack my things 24 hours
Yes, he has to go to
so
the
that
poop.
I can leave the house.
Yes, he can't go to poop.
Why do you want me to leave the house?
I don't like you. Poop.
Because you don't like me?
Yeah, you're so disgusting.
I'm disgusting?
Yeah. You like to poop.
My goodness. Nay, Ekoy said I need to leave the house because I'm disgusting, Nay.
Yes, he goes to the poop.
What did I do
He goes to poop.
that made me disgusting?
Yes, he can go to poop. He does suck at us every day. Yeah, you have to leave right now. Yes, you have to go now. Go to poop.
Maybe you ask si Nanay now because when the Nanay said I have to leave, then I will leave. I will bring my Tatay Car Color Green is too fast. I will bring all the TV, all the cell phone. I will bring everything so that I will bring the milk. Sorry, Bong, I need to bring the milk.
No!
If you really insist that Tatay will leave now, then I will leave you nothing. I will bring all the money. I will bring all the Nanay Tinda, everything.
Everything?
I will bring the refrigerator, the computer, everything. I will bring it with me. So, again, you still want me to leave?
No, you
Okay.
cannot bring the dye. You cannot bring.
I will bring all the thing, including the milk.
Huh?
Yeah,
Wait, this is that? I using milk. That one.
yeah. But Ikoy said I need to leave.
Huh?
Ikoy said I need to leave the house.
You cannot leave. Jack, over here.
Ikoy said I need to leave, Jack. Sorry, I will bring all the things, including the milk.
Huh?
Then, you will not have any milk, and you cannot drink the milk because there's no milk.
Huh?
Okay? So, Koy,
Hmm?
do you still want me to leave now?
No.
Oh, what made you change your mind?